Tehillim 85. For the chief musician, a psalm by the sons of Korah. Yahuwah, you have been favorable to your land. You have restored the fortunes of Yaakov. You have forgiven the iniquity of your people. You have covered all their sin. Selah. You have taken away all your wrath. You have turned from the fierceness of your anger. Turn us, Elohim of our Yesha, and cause your indignation toward us to cease. Will you be angry with us forever? Will you draw out your anger to all generations? Won't you revive us again, that your people may rejoice in you? Show us your Hesed, Yahuwah. Grant us your Yeshua. I will hear what Elohim, Yahuwah, will speak, for he will speak shalom to his people, his saints. But let them not turn again to folly. Surely his Yeshua is near those who fear him, that glory may dwell in our land. Chesed and truth meet together. Righteousness and shalom have kissed each other. Truth springs out of the earth. Righteousness has looked down from heaven. Yes, Yahuwah will give that which is good. Our land will yield its increase. Righteousness goes before him, and prepares the way for his steps.